So here's the TEMU new user method, and it's actually really easy and simple to do, but you want to make sure that you listen and watch throughout this whole video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. This method is so secret and hidden, but it just works so well. I can't believe no one has really ever talked about it before. So essentially how this works is that this new TEMU user method is you basically refer the TEMU program to one specific person from your friends or family members that does not have TEMU yet. But you want to listen closely. Go over to your You page. Go ahead and click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Go ahead and click on the program that you want to make money on, so Cash Reward. And then click on Invite to get tokens, and then click on Copy Code or Copy Link, doesn't really matter. In this case, I'll just click on Copy Link. And then once that link has been copied, you want to go ahead and send that to one specific person, such as your brother or your sister or your parents. Make sure that they do not have a TEMU account though. So go ahead and send it to them. Tell them to go ahead and download the TEMU app using your link right over there that you have just copied. And then once they have downloaded, tell them to copy the link and then send that to someone else that they know that does not have TEMU. And then tell them to do the same thing to that other person. So once you send that to like your mom, and let's say your mom sends that to like her sister or something, and then once her sister downloads TEMU using your link, you got 2 referrals. And then your mom's sister is going to refer that to someone else that she knows that doesn't have TEMU. So it's almost like a chain effect where the referrals just get passed down to one another and then just keeps going and just tell the next person to refer to a new user just like that. And then if you do that for enough people, you can get a lot of new users on TEMU with you just asking one person, which is going to be like your mom or your dad or whoever it is. So in that method, if you create multiple chain effects, like you tell your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, tell your best friend, and tell them to all chain effect it, that's going to make the new user just so much more. It's going to grow exponentially, which is going to cause a lot of new referrals.